here there are two APs, two different APs with the same common difference. Both the APs are having the same common difference. Should be very careful. And the difference between their 100 term is 100. Difference between their 100 term is 100. Now the question, difference between their 1000 terms. Can you tell me what is the difference between their 1000 terms? Guessing? Any guessings here? 100. 100 or 1000? 100. Good. So let us see now. So here two APs have the same common difference. Look at this. And let us take two APs means with the different first terms. So let the first terms of these two APs. So let us take, let the first terms of two APs be small letter A and capital letter A. Let us take these two are the first terms. And the common difference is same, and let us write common difference for both. Common difference of both APs, it is same, therefore BD. Let us take the common difference for both the APs as D. Okay. Now you know that first AP will be like this. First AP will be like this here. First term is A, second term will be A plus B, third term will be A plus 3D, like that it goes. And the second AP will be like this. Second AP, arithmetic progression. First term will be capital letter A, then second term will be A plus D, capital letter A plus D, and the third term will be capital, so this is 2D, sorry, 2D and 3D it goes. A plus 2D, so like that it goes. Say first term, second term, third term, like that it goes. And they have given the 100th term. So A plus 100 term means it is 1990. Here it will be A plus 1990. So this difference is given. Difference between these two is given. Okay. So now let us use this relation. The difference between their 100 terms is given. Let us use that relation. So the difference between 100 terms. Difference between the 100 terms is 100 given. So let us take here, this is greater itself. First AP itself is greater. So then difference now let us write A 100 minus A 100. This is first AP, 100 term of the first AP. This is the 100 term of the second AP. And the difference, let us take it as 100. Now you substitute the value of A 100 means 100 term. AN formula you can use here. A plus n minus 1 into D. So what happens here? A plus, it becomes 99D. A 100 will be A plus 99D. Minus, this will be capital letter A. 100 term means it is 100 minus 1 into D. That is 99D. I have used the formula, nth term formula. A plus n minus 1 into D. 100 means 100 minus 1 into D. So here also 100 minus 1 into D. So it is equal to 100 now. Now we simplify this one. A plus 99D minus you multiply minus A minus 99D. It is equal to 100. So now look at this here. 99 and 99 can be cancelled. You are getting A minus A. It is 100. So A minus A, it is 100. See, difference between their 100 term is same as the difference between their first term. This is the first term of the first AP. This is also the first term of the second AP. The difference between their 100 terms is same as the difference between their first terms. Now, you can check the difference between their 1000 terms. So, what you will get now? Difference between their 1000 terms. So, let us write the difference between their 1000th terms. So let us calculate. So this is A 1000 minus capital letter A 1000. 1000th term of the first AP minus 1000 terms of the second AP. What is the formula if you substitute nth term formula? What you will get here? A 1000. What you can write here? A plus 1000 minus 1 into d. 999d. So this is the 1000th term of the first AP. Minus, what is the 1000th term of the second AP? A plus 1000 minus 1 into d. So that is 999d. So we find out the value. What you will get? A plus 999d multiply minus a, then minus 999d. So what you will get? You see, plus 999 minus 999 gets cancelled. You are getting a minus a itself. So now the difference between the 1000 terms also you are getting a minus a. All of you look at this. The difference between their 100 terms, it is given 100, and you got from this the difference between their first terms is also 100. Now difference between their 1000 terms you calculated, you got the difference between their 100 terms. It is given difference between their first terms. It is given. It is 100. So you can take any terms, then take the difference. Any terms means respectively should be same. 1000 terms is 8000 minus 8000. Difference between the 1000 terms you take, it is 100. Difference between the 10,000 terms you take, it is 100. Difference between the first terms you take, it is 100. So because, what is the reason for that one? Here only the common difference is same. Since the common difference is same, you are getting the difference between the first terms, or difference between the second terms, difference between the third terms are all same only. It is 100 only.